Welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and sign up to the Etsy app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. After you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the Play Store app. Once the Play Store app is open up on your device, on the top of your screen you'll see a Search for Apps and Games tab. Go ahead and click on it. After you clicked on the Search for Apps and Games tab, type in ETSY and hit the search button. After you hit the search button, an option to install the Etsy app will appear on your screen. Go ahead and install the app. After the app is completely downloaded and installed on your device, all you have to do is click on the open button that appeared on your screen and the Etsy app has been installed on your phone. Now for you to sign into the Etsy app, all you have to do is click on the U tab on the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you clicked on the U tab, a page will open where you will see the sign in button. Go ahead and tap on it. After you tap on the sign in button, another window will open up on your screen where you will have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your username here, your password here, and once you've made sure that you filled in the credentials correctly, go ahead and click on the sign in button. This should automatically sign you in to the Etsy app. You can also sign in through your Google account and your Facebook account by simply tapping on the continue with Google or continue with Facebook options on your screen. I hope this video helped you download and install the Etsy app and sign into it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials.